Okay, December fun at Woodhaven. Are you staying warm in there?
Yeah.
Okay, we got the Dodge Ram 4500 hooked to the park model. Are we ready?
I'm ready. You ready, Austin?
Snug her up.
We're ready.
Let's move it. Hang on, you got a tractor. Woodhaven's finest. See ya. Get the hell out of the way. Yep, later. Okay. Keep going, go. Oh, slow, slow, slow. Slow. Keep going.
Keep going.
Go slower this time. Keep going. Keep going.
Stop.
That's it. Let's keep going.
A little bit more.
Keep going.
Stop.
Hold it. He says stop.
Wedge it.
You sure we can't just keep going some more? Better not?
Huh?
You want to stop there?
For now, yeah. We're gonna put the dish on.
We're going to get a dish. Okay, I'm giving away all our secrets.
Sorry, people can't see how prizes we go this.
We are Facebook Live. we got viewers too.
Grab the tongs, pull this one out.
Man, it's like 19 degrees. Just hang on, we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting a disc. All I can be thankful for is I won't be here when the trailer goes back in, and I'll be very thankful. Okay, get it pulled back another 20 feet and I can put my Bobcat on it. That's a very beautiful looking disc. Oh yeah. Man, my hand's freezing. My camera hand's freezing. That's bad. That's bad. My camera hand is freezing. Gotta get my glove on. Okay, you ready for some more tugging? Or do you want to take them things completely out?
We gotta get them completely out. We're getting the rolls.
So we don't break them?
Yep.
Okay. Oops. My hand was freezing.
Crank the tongue some more.
I'll get it. Yeah, say when. Getting my cardio.
Pull it out, Austin.
Good?
Go a little bit more.
More? Okay.
Go on.
Couple more cranks, he says. Say when. That's it. That's all there is.
Kick it. Kick it. Don't lay underneath it.
Let me just have her pull it a little bit.
All right.
Hey, Crystal, pull up a little. Watch out, guys. Pull up just a little. We're knocking it off a block. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh,
Stop.
Oh.
Let's get this big one out. Grab the tongs. How much room does she have on the road?
They still got room. Keep going. All right. Whew. Looks like a war zone. What do you think, Cody?
Yep.
Think we'll make it?
Yeah.
All right. Ready to move some more? Everybody ready?
Yep.
Pull some more. Go. Go right down in the ditch. Keep it rolling. Keep going. Keep going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep going. Hold it. Back up a little. Hopefully the trailer stays put. Give me a hand with this strap.
This, can I?
No. Keep backing up.
I got it.
Here, go around the bumper like this. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Oh. Tighten that up evenly. Forward. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay. Forward hoe, go. Go. Yeah, he's got it pulling hard on one side, no biggie. Let me, hold still, hold still. Let me see if, see if I can get my bobcat in there yet. Yeah, we're good. Just unhook it.
Back up a little, Crystal.
Well, folks, there's my bobcat.
That's good.
And I'm going to end the film here. Thanks for watching. This baby will get it.